Market na naman, guys. Bili ako ng ng tinapay. I'm going to market today. Pinagtusan na ako ng amo ko. And guys, good morning, everyone. Have a good day. Today is Wednesday, guys. I'm going to the market. May bibili ng something. Tinapay, of course. You guys. Lalakad ako, guys, dito. Going to market yan. O, diba? Sana. Malabo tong ko ang tawag doon. Yung cellphone ko kasi hindi ma-turn around. Yan, guys. O, diba? Yan, guys, ang market. Yan yung ito po. From grocery store. Okay, guys, see you. Bye-bye.